peeps, so today I'm going to show you how to make rice. So let's go. So basically, I have this here, a container. So I have this button here, and then you press this button for like 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 to 15 like this. 1, 2, 3, and then like that. It's like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then that's the amount you need. So I see you when I get to cook this up. So yeah. So yay, I'm back. So I will put this. Oh wait, let me make this first. I'll have this and this. This for that's like the container. This is like the measurement thing, like a bucket. Now pour this in here, in the black, the white one to the black. It's like this. And then I'll put this back. Alright, so I put this. Turn face in. Let's see. It's over there. I have this over here. Let me see. I have this filtering water, but if y'all don't have that, you have plastic waters, use that. Because you will need a filtered water for this. Because you have to wash the rice and all of that. Let's see. You have to at least wash it like 3 times. Make sure you have clean hands, so, because you don't want dirty hands and dirty rice to get you sick. I don't want soap residue on this. Sorry guys, but like this. Just do this like this 3 times. Like mixing water and rice. Sorry if y'all can hear me, but the microphone's on the bottom of this camera I have, DJI. Alright. Next thing's next. You pour all the water out, but don't pour out the rice. Make sure you'll see me do the job. Do this. You should have a water separator grade, but I don't have that, so I just do it like this. Oops. Got rice out, oh my god. And do it 3 times. Like, I did it once, and now I have to do it the second time. Got rice on the wall. Now let's wash it again. The second time I do it. Again, you have to do this 3 times before you go cook it. Do it as long as you feel like you need to. I do it like 30 seconds. Damn, it's 5 o'clock for me. Again, once again, you now pour out the water, but don't pour out the rice. Pay attention. time, the last time I could do this. Wash it, wash it, wash it. Like, around 20 seconds. Around 20 seconds, or at least 20 seconds. And then you pour it out the water again. Make sure the rice is clean and ready to roll. Now pour this out, the water out, the rice. Hate when I get rice out by accident. I don't have a separator. So I'll put this on the cooking area. The rice cooker. So basically you have to wipe the bowl first before you go put on the cooking area. So I have this towel here. You can use paper towel, it depends. Oops, I'm not really. Let's see, like this. This is the bowl, and I have to clean it all. Clean everything. Ow, my hand, like. Alright, now it's done. Now we have to bring it to the cooking area over there. I'll show you what it looks like. Now I have this. This is the cooking area where you get the rice. Cook the rice. So make sure it's. We gotta put it in there. In that pot over there. Show you how you do it. Just do it. I have a bowl over here. Just drop it in. It doesn't burn. Make sure the water is leveled up. Make sure the water is leveled up. Like, so spin it spin your bowl to level up your rice with the waters and all of that. Let's see. Now it's ready to go. Now you close this lid. Doesn't matter what cooking thing you have, but for me it's this. So you have to. So let's start it. 3, 2, 1. Now the rice officially starts cooking. So I'll see you when this is done. So I have to wait an hour until it's done. Hey guys, now that the rice finished cooks, I want to show y'all the results of my rice that I made. So are you ready, guys? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yes, this is my rice that I made. It's not my rice, it's for everyone in my house. Look at me. Look at this. You see how good that is? Imagine that. Oh my god. Actually, I'm going to eat this. So yeah. Wait, how do you guys like my rice? So rate it in the comments. Rate it in the comments below. 1 to 10, or maybe 1 to 5.
Tell me your username and I'll friend you.
You're already friends with my user. So
I'm talking to the viewer.
So here's the rice. So you should like it. Comment. I love the rice in the comments below. So this will be it for the results.